Hey everyone, Tony Maritato here, licensed physical therapist, and today I'm unboxing the RENPHO Smart Blood Pressure Monitor. This is one of the easiest home blood pressure systems you can set up, and what makes it different is the Bluetooth connectivity with data storage inside the RENPHO Health app. Right out of the box, you can see you get the monitor, the wide range upper arm cuff, the batteries, and a quick start guide. RENPHO makes setup pretty simple, so if you're someone that gets overwhelmed easily by the tech, this one is for you. This is the cuff. It's a wide range cuff that fits upper arms from between 8.75 inches all the way up to 16.5 inches. If you're struggling with cuffs that were too tight or too small in the past, this one's much more forgiving. The monitor itself runs off of 4 AAA batteries that come included with the packaging. This way you never have to plug it in. You can take it anywhere you go. I'm going to be using this one in my physical therapy clinic. Here's the monitor itself. It's got a large backlit LCD screen, almost 3 inches wide, so you can read it easily even in a dimly lit room or early in the morning. So if you're trying to keep a closer eye on your blood pressure at home or just want a simple Bluetooth-enabled monitor that stores everything for you, the RENPHO Smart Blood Pressure Monitor is a solid choice. Let's get it set up and take a reading.